I know you intended your comment as an insult, but in all honesty, I did not take it that way. And here's the reason why. There are two kinds of cake decorators, in my opinion. The first kind is a designer, and the second kind, let's call them like a novel artist. So the designer type collects all of these different styles of cake decorating, and they do a lot of tutorials or they go to a lot of classes, and they become very skilled in many ways of decorating. And you know what? You can become very wealthy and have a successful business doing that. But the second kind says, I just want to be known for one kind of cake decoration, and I want people to see a cake in a room, walk down a street, whatever it is, and say, aha, I know who made that cake. And when I started out cake decorating, that's exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted somebody to see one of my cakes and say, that's a Miri Nadler cake. And by the grace of God, that is exactly what I've been able to do with my business. I have a definitive style. However, it is much harder to have that kind of business because it takes a while for people to get confident to purchase that kind of cake. So a lot of people order the same kind of cake over and over and over again. And most of the time that's these floral, fluffy bouquets that are hand painted. They are all for real customers and growing more popular by the minute. And we have even branded boxes that we ship nationwide. So when people see our green box, they can think, that's a Miri Nadler cake. How awesome. And then you have people who order T-Rexes riding in trucks in a field of flowers.